Hi everyone, Adam here from Saracen, and it's time for the September construction update on the Murcia Residences here in East Brisbane. Let's go take a look. I'm pleased to share that basement construction is now complete, with Hutchies delivering all 4 levels over the past few months. To date, 4,258 cubic metres of concrete has been poured on site, with plenty more to come. The team has moved quickly into the next phase, forming and building the ground floor and podium levels. Right now, concrete is being poured on the ground floor, and as you can see, the site is a hive of activity. Our feature columns have also commenced, and the jumpform system has reached level 3. From here, the building will rise quickly above the ground, with progress set to accelerate in the coming months. At the same time, finishes procurement has begun, with selections for our residences now locked in and underway. We're also excited to announce the upcoming launch of the Murcia Cielo collection, a limited series of sub-penthouses at the top of the tower, offering sweeping views of the river and city skyline. This exclusive collection showcases a premium palette of finishes and will be released to the market early next year. For any sales inquiries or to register your interest in the Cielo collection, please reach out to the Dry Property Group team. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to updating you as construction progresses.